In this video, we're going to look at how we can take a presentation file that doesn't look very inspiring and how we can turn it into a nice looking deck using a solid template. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start in Copilot and generate a slide. So I'm going to generate like a slide system, a layout, and then take that one, apply our template to it, and sort of convert it to a nice looking deck. I'll do this in real time so you can see how fast it goes and what we can actually generate. So let's jump into Copilot and see how we can do this. All right, so here in Copilot, what I've done is I've asked it to make a PowerPoint presentation about presentation techniques. Then it came up with a list of slides, a structure for our presentation. And then I've asked it to make a PowerPoint file out of it that we can actually download, and we're going to do that. Now I quickly want to show you why I did it this way, because I ran it again and I wanted to generate a PowerPoint file from the start, and I asked it to create a presentation about presentation techniques, about 10 slides, and create a PowerPoint file. So I wanted to skip that step of getting the entire outline written, but basically what it did is it generated an image. It created an image of a PowerPoint presentation, which is uneditable, which is very weird, and it just did that for every single slide. So it created 10 slides or 10 images of PowerPoint presentation. It's actually still doing that right now. So I don't think we should fully rely on Copilot just yet, but let's see what we can do with the other one and the result that we can generate. All right, so here we have the presentation open. And as you can see on the left here, we're not getting that nice of a presentation just yet. We get some basic things like we always get like a title and then some bullet points, and that repeated like 10-12 times. That is not what we want. Also, if we go to the design tab and we want to sort of apply a different presentation style to it, I don't think these look very nice. So what we're going to do is we're going to apply one of my own templates to it, and I'll sort of show you how it works and the logic behind it. Now, first things first is we want to have that widescreen slide ratio. So this is the old format. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to design and then slide size, set it up to 16:9. So that is the first thing we're going to do. Next, we're going to apply a good theme to it. So I'm going to design, then I'm going to themes, and here I'm going to browse for themes because I want to apply my own corporate template to it. And here I'm going to apply one of my ultimate templates and then press apply. So what will happen now is it will apply the fonts, the colors, the slide layouts. All of these things are now in that presentation. If we go and look, we can see the layouts. Well, they are very nicely added to the presentation. So we can see there's multiple layouts available. So a nice thing about this deck is that I've included a light and dark mode. So I can easily switch it to dark mode already. And this is already the first step of making the deck look nicer. Now, of course, we want to do some more with this because this is not a presentation that we're happy with yet, but it is already a good start. So what we're going to do now is we're going to select some different layouts. For example, the title here, we're going to change that to an actual title slide. You can see you can instantly convert it with an image placeholder, title, and subtitle. They nicely convert. That is the good thing about understanding these building blocks. So Copilot or any AI generator actually thinks in the same way, and we can apply it. Now we can just skip through a few of the different layouts. So this is already starting to look a little bit better. You can always add your images to the slide. That is perfectly possible. Just in a few clicks, we can already see the deck is coming together. Let's say this is a sort of an agenda slide that we want to use. So let's also look for a different one here. So we're going to layouts, and you can scroll through the different ones. We know we have a title, we have a sort of a text box. Let's say we want to have a nice image with rounded corners. Well, we can just select one and this makes it available. So that is pretty cool. Now, of course, there's an option if you want to have something more specific. Well, you can also go for customized layouts. And for that, we're going to jump in my template itself. I'll put the link in the description below so you can purchase it for your needs. And what I have here is over 100 different demo slides. So they're all built on that same layout. So let's say we want to have something like this, like an agenda slide. This looks nice. It doesn't have to be an agenda slide, but we want this structure. So I'm going to copy this, jump into the other one, and then I'm going to paste it here. So we can easily say identify their background. And then we can just add the other content here as well. And if we no longer need those, well, we can just simply remove it and delete the rows. And just see how fast you can actually generate a slide that looks really nice and that fits in that style of the presentation. So we can do it like this. But let's say we also want a different style of layout, structure of the story. I maybe see it in a horizontal line. Well, also for that, we could just jump to the template, look for any of the different styles that we like. If we want to use, like for example, the 4 steps, we can take this one. If we want to use one with icons, that is also perfectly possible. And we can just select whichever one we want. jump into the presentation, add it in there. You can also go from the layout section. That is another alternative that you could use, for example, the top banner. And then you can say, okay, let's do maybe a little bit of a title. So clear beginning, rule of 3, create narrative, and keep slides simple. So we say beginning, rule of 3, narrative, and simplicity. And then we just add our content here. And that just shows you how easy it can be to add certain slides. And what we then do is we just drag in our images to the slide, and you see how they nicely snap into place. So you can do that for whichever image that you have available. You can just crop them if you want. You can even just rotate and flip horizontally to make it match your style a little bit more. And that is literally how easy it can be to make your slides and really make it fit and look nice as well. And just look at that, how fast we went from these slides here, so those 4 slides, into some nice looking ones with a presentation template. Now I want to show you one more cool thing, is that we have the design modes available. So you can easily switch it to a light mode, different color like a slide gray. You can instantly make those changes for all of your slides without any hassle, without any troubles. So you can just switch from light to dark mode for all of the slides that you have in this deck. So if you want to stop wasting time in PowerPoint, you need a solid structure, a solid template. You can find all the information of my ultimate deck in the link in the description below. So you can focus on what truly matters, which is your content.